We're on a time crunch. We're at the mall real quick. We're about to buy something for the gender reveal of Garrick and Brittany. I'm wearing blue, you know, team boy. Kevin behind the camera is wearing pink. He's team girl. We are at the kids section and I genuinely have no idea what to get.
Cause it's like a gender reveal. You don't know what to get, a boy or girl stuff.
Exactly. What do you get? Maybe that's a little bunny. Yeah, this is cool, man.
If we're going to like a gender reveal, what would you get?
Bunny, what else?
A blanket.
You have blankets?
The white one.
White blanket, yeah, that's neutral, right?
Yeah.
What's this? Pampers?
Pampers.
Forget that. It looks kind of cool, huh? Labor and delivery postpartum recovery kit. Oh, is that super cool though? No? Or is that a little weird? I don't know. Baby basics. When it gets real, you'll be ready. So we'll do that. The little bear, a blanket. What else can we add to like make it?
Like you can add it up the little giraffe.
Little giraffe, natural and gentle bath time essentials.
Who having a baby? You?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, he's having a baby.
I have an Ace of Spades bottle at the house. Yeah. Pass for it. We secured the gifts for baby GNB team boy, but we got them neutral gifts because it's a gender reveal.
Fuck yeah.
What do you? Well, you're wearing pink, so.
Yeah, the way she broke it down, like yesterday, she said that she wanted a girl too, like because of how Garrick is.
Yeah, I feel like Garrick would like be such a great girl dad. Yeah, boy dad, whatever it is, he's gonna be a good dad for sure. Super happy for him.
What's up? Well, you bought this? Or is it real?
Nah, she gets it straight from China.
Let me buy this from you.
Hey, it's a Coca-Cola one. Put on limited edition, like super limited.
Rico.
From PQ. Oh my god.
Ooh, what's up with this shit not writing, dude? Now I'm nervous. Fool, you're right next to me.
Nervous. What?
This is before we actually go to the event. So me personally, I think it's gonna be a boy.
As you guys already know, I've been saying team boy. Do you guys want to go in there or should we wait for like somebody?
We're gonna wait for all year.
So you're gonna wait until you hear someone's car?
Nah, we're gonna wait until we hear.
Vamos! No way. Where you at, fool?
So you're here parked up, ready for a dig.
Love you guys. Bro, the Empire sounds fucking retarded. Sounds crazy. That's loud, but the backfires like don't stop. I'm the gender keeper. I'm team neutral.
Boy right here.
Yeah, we're team boy. We're team boy, man.
And so you guys are producing like a whole thing for them?
Yeah.
How many people do you guys have like to film this whole?
Right now, it's just the three of us, bro.
What's going on, guys? My name is Chris, one of the owners at PQ Performance, and I think it's gonna be a boy, but whatever it is, whether it's a girl or a boy, congratulations on your gender reveal and your baby.
I believe it's gonna be a boy. As you guys can see, I'm wearing blue. Whatever it is, I know that you're gonna have a great parent.
And you guys have like a list of questions or what?
Type here and there.
Yeah.
Obviously, some people are like family and some, you know, friends, and different questions for different people.
Hey, dog, you up? What we doing?
Team boy, team girl, message to GNB.
I'm looking at this camera?
Oh yeah, brother.
He also has a PC car?
Yeah, Max has a little G80. He just got his window tints and never came back.
Yeah.
Hey, you still have the chrome tints on it or not?
No, because you know how it's been like really hot and it's been raining? They tinted it from the outside, so it started to peel. And then my front windshield, when I was using the wipers, it scratched the film, so I just swapped them off.
So you're back to stock? It's just badass one.
Black, yeah.
This is a badass pet. If I had a pet like this, I wouldn't know what to do with it. I feel like I'll go crazy. Like crazy as in like, I'll like it. Probably run butt naked around here, things like that. But I feel like if you have a house like this, fool, you could do shit like that. Corner, a little shake. That must be nice, bro. Like looking over the mountains and everything. Hey, they're bumping that old school 2000s song.
That good music?
I fuck with them.
Yeah.
Well, you gonna leave me here alone, Dick? Chill, bro. You can't leave me here alone, dog.
Just lay down right here and all this shit.
Hell no.
We have asada, chorizo, al pastor, and pollo.
Let me read the pollo.
Rice and beans?
Yeah, rice and beans.
Rice and beans, got it.
This shit all looks fun right here, bro.
Is it okay to keep doing that like on and off multiple times whenever? Okay, because he does it like every 5 seconds. He keeps testing. Literally every 5 seconds he's testing him. Like I don't want you to.
No, she said that because when I just got it, I was trying to figure out how to use it. But I didn't know that you guys plugged it in the back and the trunk. So now I know where to point.
The worst thing that's gonna happen is the battery on the controller die.
What are those, pancakes?
Yeah.
Not loads. I might go FBO before I tune it.
You just need air
Intakes, charge pipe, intercooler.
Oh, this one told me we could do the port injections for the 485.
And what is that? You just gotta do PI. This was keeping up with a PI car, huh?
To keep up, but you want to be.
It's because you're talking about getting a G80. The thing with a G80, dog, is like you could literally like make so much power reliably. Like no other platform like it, honestly.
Yeah.
Just take the Z01 to the shop already. Said no?
We can't tune those.
Wait, why not?
I don't know cars.
It's just a different platform that like we don't specialize in.
They're like mainly BMW and foreigns and like exotics and shit.
What'd you do to your car, Angel?
This shit's fast though, fool.
No,
Fast.
bro, they impounded my car, right? And then I see the PQ truck pass by. I'm like, is PQ running? And then this fool
fool pulls up on me. He's like, the shop's right here, like 2 stores down. I was like, what the fuck? Bro, they're literally like 6 minutes away from your house. I was like, that's where this fool Philly's always cooking. Yeah, I'm literally gonna pull up on you. When I see you there, I'm gonna slide on you.
Well, is who Philly's like one of the owners or no? Who walks in, talks shit to all the employees?
I guess they said that it's a ghost code to check in.
Oh yeah, my shit popped up too.
I scanned it and nothing came up. Like zero, nothing.
Because they told me I can't bring it in anymore because it disappeared, and they said like it's probably just when it.
Yeah, I was like, what the fuck?
Hey, but low key, I don't know why I'm telling these Benz we have, bro. I don't know what's up with them. I feel like something's wrong with them, bro. Like I feel like they're gonna have a recall or something soon, and the brakes are shit, bro. AMGs. Oh, they're all like that, right? They screech hard.
I think those are carbon ceramics, if I'm not mistaken.
No, if I dig, I think he got me, no matter what.
Torque converter, axles, and a drive shaft, for sure will move. Imagine we do the high salt converter. The fool that is a lot faster too than you, I think, is that fool Ray. Ray's fast, fool.
Oh, he has different ones. This cooling mods, no?
Lighter, fool. That fool's a lighter car.
That's the only thing.
X-Drive. So you're like at least like 8 to 1,000 pounds heavier.
He took off first, and I was right behind him.
Yeah, like he didn't like the gap didn't like expand, you know, it just stood there.
More than a car.
Because that little jump that Super has, just like it's what it took for him to stay like that. Maybe you just suck at driving, fool, I don't know.
No, that too. But that fool Angel, that fool launches it better than me. Because he's had the Evo, so he knows how to do the brake boosting. I know how to do it, but not as good as this fool.
Oh, did you brake boost?
Yeah. Every time.
Brake boost pretty hard, fool.
Hard, especially on the 900.
That shit's supposed to be like.
I did it like soft. Now I put it all the way down and then let that shit go. That's how Angel told me how to do it.
Especially on a 900, fool. Those shit
Just take forever, fool.
That shit has lag.
Like forever, fool. I'll be right there. I'll be like, wait.
What you should do, fool, is start getting ready. And once you start getting ready, let them line up next. And then by the time they're like about a honk or whatever, you already built the gear.
Because they don't gotta do nothing.
What I also do is take off on 2.
Yeah, that's what he does.
You just take off on 2 and that's it. You jump on them real quick.
Have you raced Hellcats or no?
One wants to race you, but that feels like fully built.
Hellcats are crazy, dog. That's instant power, fool. And if you lag on fucking getting boost, Wheezy out of here.
I'm trying to get that fool like 50 to like 130 maybe.
You gotta get on boost and there's fucking 1-2 dip on that fool.
I gotta call it, huh?
Because after 130, for sure he's coming after you.
How much is a motor handle? Stock, I go for like 1,000.
1,000? Stock motor?
Stock motor, surf out. A little bit.
Hey, but I heard core injection for that far is like expensive, like 3 racks. 3 racks? Yeah, for Merle? I thought they were like 8 racks.
Well, it's the same injectors, but I don't know if it uses like special rails.
Probably a different system.
I'm about to get a sour apple martini. 2 shots on the floor, maybe 3.
Little paloma, you know?
G80 loading up. Coming back to PQ, man. Yeah.
Little motor, everything.
Everything. Coming for everybody.
Zell?
Cash, I have cash.
I have Zell in.
Cool.
I already locked it in with him. A little hurt.
100.
I'm betting that's a boy. They got girls. They're team girls, team boys.
Girl.
This is the setup, what it looks like.
If you guys want to find out what gender it is, go check out GNB's channel or Jimmy Humilde.
My boy Red right here.
How you doing, bro? Nice to meet you, bro.
So you know Lacey and like
Of course.
Ray and all them? He does, they own the shop that works on all the cars.
Did you do Lacey's car? Yeah. Yours? Bro, that shit's fire.
All the FaZe guys fire.
Really? Yeah. Bro, let me get your numbers. That's it, because I have a Huracan right now. I'm gonna get a, wait, you guys do Brabus kits or no for G-Wagons?
Yeah. We're doing one right now.
There. This is the people, bro. I gotta do it, hold on. Wait, here, put your number. That's lit, bro. Yeah, because I have a G-Wagon. I want to turn it into a Brabus.
Yeah, you do it.
That would be sick, bro.
Yeah, we worked on literally every FaZe member is on.
That's even Ron, too?
You waiting for it.
Bro, I'll pull up, bro.
I'm gonna save it real quick.
Yeah, of course, save it.
Dad, GTR.
Wait, you guys did the GTR?
Yeah.
Sick, bro. What's the company name?
PQ Performance.
PQ Performance?
Yeah.
Dude, hell
But
yeah.
X7, bro, they just got done doing it like, that's just like a SUV, bro.
What
But
the fuck?
that's my whip right there.
Holy shit, that looks mean, bro.
That's fully built by PQ right there, bro.
That's insane.
Yeah. It's a V8 twin turbo. It's full bolt on. It's just I tuned it too. Bro,
Wait.
they did so much into it.
Would you guys pick up my car from San Diego or no?
100%.
Okay. If you guys can pick it up and drop off, like I'll be, bro, that'd be great. I know I'm busy, bro. Hey, thank you, bro. Thank you for putting it on. Yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, of course. Y'all kill it, bro. For real.
Just let us know ahead of time what you want to do.
Okay.
And we'll make it happen.
Thank you, bro. Thank you, guys. Have a good one.
And once again, guys, please no posting on social media. Once again, please no posting on social media.
Hey, we got 200 on the line. Team boy.
Boy, yeah. I gotta be close to that guy because I feel like he's gonna run out.
See the networking skills for PQ? She just hired me, fool.
That was amazing.
Let me know. I work for 75 an hour.
I was gonna go that way. I was going both ways.
Guys, back up a little bit, please. 3, 2, 1. Patreon, let's do it.
Technical difficulties.
Hey, that fool needs a one-on-one after.
Hey, I'm gonna count down from 10 again, whenever we're ready. Technical difficulty.
1. There's no way.
It's even more exciting now.
3, 2, 1.
I knew it! Team boy, baby, team boy! It's the boy!
Fucking guard. You're about to have a sick ass car racer just like you, brother.
Yeah, that's gonna be crazy.
He had the tank, but it was
Told me to tell you.
You guys are collecting the bag?
359. Hunter. Hey, bring this guy. Hey, you know me? I gotta get my tacos to go.
We have V-Cleans X7.
Escalade V, of course, with the PQ sticker.
What'd you guys do to the Escalade?
Wrap the little small customizations for the emblems and the wheels. And then we have Brittany's X6M, her mom car with the PQ sticker as well. Beautiful mom
He has
car.
2 mom cars, V and the X6M.
Drive safe. Hey. Catch you on the 100 next time.
He just lost 100.
You guys started with Brittany's X6, and then Garrick pulled up and
The G82.
And what'd you guys do to the G82?
What did we do to it? Just look at the front end, bro. It's a whole different bumper. Just to begin with, that's an Agile bumper.
Dude, this shit is crazy.
We did a lot of work to Garrick's G82. Full Agile kit. When I say full, like I'm talking about full, bro. Like every possible option. He did the beautiful big wing,
Lift, side skirts, diffuser, wing.
carbon front end, carbon hood. He's making about 800, so everything needed to make 800 wheel, carbon intakes, downpipes.
Not to mention, bro, I remember when he first came, he told us, I want the cleanest M4. Now he has the cleanest M4.
He does want to bring in the Corvette this week. He said he just got his exhaust. So we're gonna also be installing the exhaust for his Corvette. And as you guys seen, we just finished up what he's now calling it the Green Goblin M5 V10. He loved it. E60 stock is not the nicest car
The
ever.
way he did that when he stood on it yesterday. He didn't care, bro? Well, what could he do? Was he like, fuck?
No, he honestly didn't care.
He's gonna get the plunger under.
Kind of hard to get an E60 to look nice, but this one right here looks really good.
Cause Garrick, he has like that. He visions like sick shit, you know? And he's like kind of gotta go with it. Probably like, okay, I don't know about that. But then after it's done, it's like, okay, he had a sick idea.
And it spit flames. Last but not least, we have Cash, of course, with a custom 1-of-1 PQ sticker.
F90, looking sick.
Murdered out, bunch of carbon, downpipes.
We wrapped this one.
Full wrap, front mount intake, carbon everywhere. Another one that has great taste in cars.
So S580?
S63, my boy.
But this one isn't cut, huh?
No, I have cut ones though, so I do all that.
This is valued way more.
But I do like LS3 swaps, all that shit.
Holy shit.
And then when I do them, like, I ever do wheels or like, I got like 57 rag, 59 Impala, 58 Impala. Both that stuff on play.
Yeah, this is beautiful right here. Standalone fuel system, dude. You hear? Yeah. I load it up. How much is something like this?
$150, $120.
This is big.
Oh, thank you. Beautiful.
Beautiful car, brother. This has a Alice engine in it. You could tell how beautiful, as far as attention to detail, everything looks amazing.
Oh, there. Beautiful build.
Oh, you guys do like cars for like the Milana guys, huh?
Kind of. We started it though, like 59 rags, 57. Built this one. I built most of these cars you see. I built. I used to have a shop down the street. This one just got finished. 58.
You know that guy Jimmy Humilde?
Yeah, Jimmy Humilde. I knew him back. So, do what? One day we were cruising in Van Nuys and had a 56 rag. He wanted to buy it, so I wanted 130 for it. He offered me 100. So we did a coin toss.
No way.
150, 100. I lost. So we got it for 100. But it was dope, bro.
Really?
He's a cool dude. Yeah. He's
Yeah,
cool
he
as
has some
fuck.
nice stuff,
Yeah.
for sure.
Like he blew up, man. He does some sick ass work.
Thank you so much for showing us, man.
No
Pleasure
problem,
meeting you,
Pleasure,
man.
man.
I'll hit you up for sure.
Thank you guys, GNB, for having us over. This was a great event for us. Blessings to you and your family.
Congratulations once again. And just like Chris said, man, thank you guys so much for having us over.
Shout out to the 100. I won $100 on a bet. I knew it was gonna be a boy.
I know you guys are gonna be the best parents, best
Coolest.
wishes, the coolest. You guys already have the cars. Thank you guys so much one more time, and we are out of here.
I worked at a deal.